Are you missing out on the seamless segments of professional service advertisers? Do you think you're lagging far behind from your competitors? Stay tuned as we are here to solve your difficulties. Hi everyone, this is Farheen, your host from the Digi Creators, and you are listening to Season 1, Episode number 4. Today, we will be discussing about digital marketing strategy for the service industry. As we all know, the digital technology is changing from industry to industry, and of course, the professional service is no exception. Clients now have new ways to learn and evaluate potential service providers. These changes require firms to rethink their digital marketing strategies if they wish to stay in the competitive market. The marketing sector has changed drastically. Most industries have embraced digital marketing, but not every digital retailer have equally effective warehouses. Some digital marketing strategies attack the bull's eye, while others do not even come close to it. In the growing age of digital marketing, you often hear people talking about different strategies and approaches. While this trend may be in the consumer product market, you miss out on the seamless segments of professional service advertisers. As you all know, a digital marketing strategy is a high level of planning and strategic selection that sets out your company's marketing and key messages that you will send to your viewers or audience. Your high-level strategy should be the same in the digital world, just like in the offline world. So let's begin. Number 1, start with your business purpose. Keep asking yourself these questions. What are you trying to achieve? Do you want to grow in a factory? Are you trying to get visibility for your product? Or you just want to set up an adoption firm? Or what? Organized marketing, whether digital or traditional marketing, starts with your company's strategic objectives. Try to understand what parts of the practice you are trying to identify and inculcate it in your digital plan. As many firms have a variety of customers, similarly, these customers also have a variety of market services to choose from. Number 2, research your target audience. The next step in preparing for a digital marketing strategy is identifying and researching your target audience. The importance of this research is seen when you consider that high growth service firms are 3 times more likely to perform in the study as their growth is slower than their peers. Your target audience is the community group you need to reach out to and use your digital strategy. You can specifically target this community as influencers, potential clients, and referral sources. Number 3, put your target audience first. Many brands do research on multiple viewers or market segments that can help them choose the most responsive markets. What we call the research opportunity goes far beyond looking at the growth rate of various categories. Researcher questions can assess the competitive environment, potential clients, purchasing performance, your firm's product strengths in various markets, and other factors that can illuminate the success of the market segments. Number 4, how to study the target audience. In the market, there are few types of researchers that can help you to develop a digital winning strategy. One of the most common method is called the second study, wherein you quest for research studies that have already been organized by another organizations. Through trade unions or publishers, they often offer these courses to specific industries. Similarly, there are many organizations or companies that sell relevant researches depending on market size or ongoing trends. Number 5, set specific goals and decide how to pursue them. You may be wondering if it makes sense to choose goals ahead of strategy, as each process outlines specific ways to track. With high level of goals like getting 10 new clients a month applies to all of your marketing strategies. Other goals like say on social media You set a goal to get 20 shares on LinkedIn each week following specific strategies. You should know that you will be using LinkedIn before setting that goal. Modern technology makes some metrics easier to follow, so if they are clear, use them and understand what they are making readily available for you. Some digital marketing strategies enjoy high levels of variation and impacts from the fastest growing professional service companies. Listed below are top 6 digital techniques that are sure to work while executing your digital marketing strategy for service industries. Number 1, keyword research. Number 2, search engine optimization. Number 3, downloadable, unique and quality content. Number 4, informative webinars. Number 5, publishing blog. Number 6, email marketing campaigns. We include research, benchmarking, strategy creation, organizing and complete implementation support. Whatever your needs may be, the Digi Creators can help you with the entire process. If there are any more queries or discussions you wish to have with our team, please feel free to reach out to us at www.thedigicreators.com for a free consultation. As mentioned earlier, we have taken the 7-day podcast challenge where we will be posting 7 different digital marketing strategies for various industries. In the next episode, we will be talking about how to make a digital marketing strategy for photographers. Stay tuned with us for more and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our upcoming episodes. Please do drop in your comments and let us know what you think about this one. Hoping to hear back from you guys very soon. Bye-bye.